some general knowledge from our kids. Here we welcome
Kyali Sai.
Invention, computer, Charles Babbage, television, John Logie Pite, mobile phone, Martin Cooper, aeroplane, Wright brothers, calculator, Pascal, thermometer, Galileo, satellite launch vehicle, APJ Abdul Kalam, electric bulb, Thomas Alva Edison, air conditioner, Wills Carrier, telephone, Alexander Graham Bell, electricity, Benjamin Franklin, watch, Peter Henley, radio, Guglielmo Marconi, ballpoint pen, John Love, telescope, Hans Lippershey, fountain pen, Waterman, jet engine, Frank Whittle, diesel engine, Rudolf Diesel, bicycle, K. Macmillan, email, Ray Tomlinson, transformer, Michael Faraday, motorcycle, Gottlieb Daimler, piano, Bartolomeo Cristofori, refrigerator, William Cullen, ship, Robert Fulton, submarine, Cornelius Stubbs, cooker, William S. Harvey, vacuum cleaner, Hubert Cecil Bluth, elevator, Edisa G. Odis, camera, Isopor Isopsu, typewriter, Christopher